Have an Arlo camera and you don't have an electrical outlet nearby, I'm going to show you how to hook up the camera to low voltage. So I'm plugging in the power adapter for the camera right now, and I'm just checking the voltage to make sure which pin is hot and which one is not. Okay, what I did is I plugged an aftermarket Arlo charging cable to an Arlo charger, and I cut the wire here. You may not be able to see it, but one of the wires has a slight reddish tinge to it. So what I'm going to do is going to check to see which has power and which does not. I'm plugging in the power adapter for the camera right now, and I'm just checking the voltage to make sure which pin is hot and which one is not. Okay, because I don't have hands to hold my phone and record and do this at the same time, I hooked up the red lead to the red wire and the black lead to the white wire. So this is AC current. I have hot 10 volts according to my meter on the red side. And then what I did was I cut the wire where it plugs into the USB connector, and then I'm running it in my attic and plugging it into a USB connector in the attic to give me low voltage right to the camera. Okay, so I don't have an electrical outlet in the eave where I want to hook up the Arlo camera. What I did is I cut this white wire here, which has the low voltage outlet. The pin on the left at like 9 o'clock is your hot pin. And then I took the other half of the white wire, and this is what I'm going to bring up into my attic and give it power on the red wire. That is my hot wire. And then I spliced the white wire here to some 18-2 thermostat wire where you can buy in Home Depot or Lowe's, and it's got red and white wires usually. And I'm just going to hook the red up to the red of this white wire. That way I know I'll have the right polarity with the plug in the attic. Okay, I'm going to use a number of fiberglass rods to thread the wire through my soffit into the attic, or you could use a cheap wire snake like the red one I have here. Okay, what I did is I ran that low voltage thermostat wire through the soffit into my attic and up over my ridge into an electrical outlet right here where I'm going to make the connection. Okay, I'm just making the white to white and red to red, and then I'm plugging it into this outlet right here. This is my completed installation. I just put 2 butt connectors to connect the white wire to the brown thermostat wire, and then plugged it into the Arlo charger, which is plugged into an electrical outlet. Here's my completed installation with the wire through the soffit. Thank you for watching.